Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Valentine's baking is probably one of the most delightful ways to express your love and affection. From heart-shaped cookies to decadent chocolate cakes, the possibilities are endless. But with so many options available, choosing the perfect treats can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore some of the most delicious and visually stunning Valentine's Day baking ideas to help you create a memorable and sweet celebration. Number 5. Valentine's Day Heart Cookie Cutter Set. Looking for the perfect way to make Valentine's Day cookies? This set makes it easy to create cookies for your loved ones. It's perfect for parties or a special treat for someone you admire. This set includes 5 different heart-themed designs. You can create heartwarming cookies and chocolates with these molds. They are perfect for showing your love. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this set is durable and safe. The smooth surface and rolled metal edge ensure it won't hurt your fingers. It's built to last. Simply press the cutters into the dough to create the shape. Hand washing is recommended to keep them in top condition. Make sure you dry it immediately to prevent rust. These cutters are perfect for more than just cookies. Use them for pancakes, biscuits, sandwiches, and more. If you want to make heart-shaped treats, this is a great choice. What we like. This set offers various heart shapes, perfect for diverse cookie designs. The durable stainless steel ensures longevity and safety. If you are looking for a versatile tool to create a range of Valentine's treats, this is the one for you. What people say. This set was perfect. My grands love making cookies. They are sturdy and super easy to clean. Very functional for me and my littles. So easy for them to use. Great size, the grandchildren loved these for making sugar cookies. Great cookie cutters, good quality. Number 4. Sweets Indeed Valentine's Heart Sprinkle Mix. Looking for the perfect touch for your Valentine's Day treats? This sprinkle mix is designed with festive red and pink colors. It's the ideal way to add some love to your desserts. This mix features a coordinated red and pink color scheme, perfect for heart-themed baking. The colors create bold, cohesive designs that will make your treats stand out. It's a simple way to add a festive touch. The mix includes a variety of textures, such as jimmies, sugar pearls, and heart shapes. These different textures add visual impact and dimension to your creations. It's designed to make your desserts look as good as they taste. This sprinkle mix is ideal for cupcakes, cookies, and cakes. It's also great for brownies, donuts, and cake pops. Use it to create homemade Valentine's gifts that will impress. The sprinkles come in a resealable jar, which keeps them fresh. This packaging makes it easy to store the sprinkles between decorating projects. It ensures that they are ready for your next baking adventure. What we like. This sprinkle mix features a festive red and pink color palette, perfect for Valentine's Day. The multiple textures add visual appeal to your treats. If you like to quickly and easily decorate your cupcakes and cookies with a professional look, you should consider it. What people say. The cookie cutters are well made and cut cleanly. The designs are super cute. The product is exactly as described. Number 3. R&M Valentine Cookie Cutter Set. Introducing the R&M Valentine Cookie Cutter Set. This set includes 7 festive shapes perfect for your Valentine's Day baking. It's a great way to make delicious treats. The set features a variety of shapes, including hearts, arrows, and even a cupid. Each cutter is designed to make your cookies stand out. You'll love the variety. These cutters have a colorful polyresin coating for easy release. This means your cookies will come out perfectly every time. It's designed for convenience. Don't limit yourself to just cookies. You can also use it on sandwiches, fondant, or craft clay. The possibilities are endless with this set. To keep your cutters in top shape, simply hand wash them with warm, soapy water. Make sure to dry them thoroughly before storing. It's simple to maintain. R&M offers a wide range of cookie cutters for every celebration. Let this set be a part of your baking traditions. We hope you enjoy it. What we like. This set includes 7 unique Valentine's shapes with a colorful polyresin coating. The coating makes the cutters easy to clean. If you are looking for a fun and easy way to make Valentine's cookies, this is a great choice. What people say. Great set of cookie cutters. The different sizes are just right for creating an assortment of cookies or decorative pieces. Very sturdy, love them. Would order these again, very nice quality, made adorable cookies, brownies and marshmallows. Number 2. Sweets Indeed Valentine's Sprinkle Mix. Get ready for Valentine's Day with this festive sprinkle mix. It's designed with pink and white sprinkles and heart shapes, perfect for your desserts. This mix includes jimmies, sugar pearls, confetti quins, and more. The variety of textures will add visual impact and dimension to your treats. Ideal for cupcakes, cookies, and cakes, this sprinkle mix is perfect for all your Valentine's baking needs. It's also great for homemade gifts. Decorating is easy. Simply sprinkle it directly onto frosting, icing, or glazes. No prep work is required. The 4-ounce jar is the perfect size for all your decorating needs. It's also resealable, so you can easily store and reuse it. What we like. This sprinkle mix features a festive pink and white color palette, perfect for Valentine's Day. The multiple textures add visual appeal to your treats. If you like to quickly and easily decorate your cupcakes and cookies with a professional look, you should consider it. What people say. They were perfect for my St. Patrick's Day Rice Krispie treats and cookies. Vibrant colors and a good mix of shapes and sizes. The sprinkles arrived in perfect condition, nothing was broken or crushed. They matched the color scheme of the party beautifully, and they added a fun, festive touch to the cake. Not only did they look great, but they were also tasty. The flavor was sweet without being overwhelming, which was a hit with both the kids and adults. They are very colorful and were a nice size. The best part is they really tasted delicious. Many times sprinkles have a weird taste, but these were so fresh and delicious. Number 1. JOYIN Valentine's Day Bakery Treat Boxes. Looking for the perfect way to share your homemade goodies? These boxes are designed with a heart theme, ideal for the passionate season. They're perfect for showcasing your delicious treats. This set includes 24 boxes, ready to hold your cupcakes, cookies, or any other treats. It's easy to use and will make your desserts even more appealing. These boxes are perfect for pastries, cupcakes, cookies, brownies, and more. Your effort will surely get noticed by your loved ones this Valentine's Day. Whether it's for a school party, office gathering, or bake sale, this box is a great choice. It's a thoughtful way to share your treats and spread the love. Made from durable cardboard, this box is safe for food storage and built to last. We prioritize customer satisfaction, so contact us if you have any issues. What we like. These boxes feature heart-themed designs, perfect for Valentine's Day. They are easy to use and ideal for gifting treats. If you have baked goodies to share with your loved ones, this is a great choice. What people say. The cookie cutters are so cute and perfect for Valentine's Day. The product is exactly as described and is great quality. The product arrived quickly and was well packaged. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.